wanted me to be my traditional, I guess you could say, like, dude, I've been on People's Sexiest Man Alive list. I've been on all that stuff.
You on the Sexiest Man?
Yes. I don't want to talk about it. But I've been on that. I've been on a lot of stuff, right? And I'm like, for GQ, I need to throw him for a loop. I'm not coming in with the sex appeal that people expect me to have. I got to come in different. So I came in like this. Got the grill, got the hoodie. I edged it up a little bit. I said, I'm going to be a real nigga on GQ. Right? That's what that is. I'm going to be a real on GQ. And that's what I gave him. So there you go.
What would you rate this photo from 1 through 10?
Knowing the context, I give it a 10 all day, every day. All day, every day. It clearly says I don't play that. What a shot. That to me, you know what that picture says?
What?
It's time to take me serious. That picture is a defining moment